Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ebi to atsuage no chili sauce. Today I'm cooking some shrimps and atsuage deep fried tofu with sweet sour chili sauce. You can make it with shrimp only, but atsuage deep fried tofu adds body to it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ebi to atsuage no chili sauce, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Japanese leek, about 300 grams of shrimp, 2 atsuage deep fried tofu, 3 tablespoons each of vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar today. Sake, ketchup and sugar, 1 teaspoon each of grated garlic and ginger, 1 to 2 teaspoons of doubanjan, hot bean paste, and little over 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first, so Japanese leek. I'm going to mince it, so let's make some slits here. And slice. Make some slits. And slice. Atsuage deep fried tofu. Let's just cut it into blocks. About the size. And shrimp. Let's make it like a butterfly shrimp. Rinse and dry them. Now, let's combine all the seasonings in one bowl. Vinegar, sake, sugar, ketchup, garlic and ginger, spicy paste, potato starch, all in. Mix it well. And the sauce is ready. Let's heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan. Today I'm using sesame oil for the nice flavor, but any oil you like. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Let's cook the shrimp first. Atsuage deep fried tofu. bottom. So mix it well. And add it to the frying pan with the heat off. Give it a stir. Then turn the heat back on to thicken the sauce. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes as you constantly mix it and the sauce is thickened. Now let's add the leek. After you add the leek, make sure you don't cook it too long. You want to keep the leek fresh. Turn the heat off and it's done. Serve in the plate. And エビと厚揚げのチリソース is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。I just had atsuage deep fried tofu. Tofu is very plain and it can be a little too boring, but thanks to the sauce, it's not boring at all. Let's have some shrimp too. The sweet sour chili sauce is just so tasty. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. エビと厚揚げのチリソース is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and egg drop soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about spinach dressed with sesame sauce for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!